Right, so we are in room 1, which is on the first floor of the main house, and this is a room which is very nice and bright because of its double exposure window, as you can see there, and it's decorated in green tones. So as you can see, it's a double bedroom, lovely bed. That's a view out to the countryside. However, a bit unfortunately, we're looking at the back. I mean, it's front of a hotel, but the front of the hotel is by a road, which is not passing at all during the night, so it's quiet, but it is in the morning, as you can see. Little area, they give you a nice jar of cookies and apples and water. This is all complimentary. You have a nice TV, way to put, of course, your clothes, and tea and coffee making facility. To give you information about the hotel, there's a Samsung tablet with various tabs, and then I'm going to show you the bathroom, which is here behind that room, that door. Now this is little window there, with a single sink, but you can see very nice, bright and white. And then here we've got a walk-in shower, which is very nice as well. Because it's a luxury hotel, we have bathrobes too, and a series of services. So later on I will do a tour of the grounds so that you can see how the bedrooms are laid out, and possibly the spa as well, because Dormy House had been voted best spa hotel last year by Mr. and Mrs. Smith. So I hope you like it, and that you have a good day. We are going to have breakfast now. Have a good day. Bye.